Good morning, guys. It's 18. What's up, you guys? It's Codex 4. What you guys been up to? Anything for question? Anything? So, well, right now, you guys, we are going to organize this and see what stuff we have. So, that's what we're going to do. Mating some tuna help. Oh, you guys look so good. Grace is getting happy. Yeah, Grace is happy. Look at her face, you guys. She's happy.
You're happy. Happy baby?
So right now, you guys, I'm just editing the video to make sure that everything looks good. So I'm just making sure this sounds good. Look at that, you guys. Sneak peek. Look at that, you guys. Sneak peek behind the scenes. What's coming tomorrow, you guys, with a brand new video, yeah, on my main channel. It's gonna be fun and exciting. Somebody requested it so many times, so I just finally filmed it. Should take a little while, but I don't know how you guys enjoy it, but hopefully you guys enjoy that video. This is the pantry, you guys. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm doing some shaving, so this is gonna be fun and exciting. Wherever my shaving cream is. Where is my shaving cream? Don't know where it is. Is it in the drawer? No. Is it in this drawer? No. Don't know where my shaving cream is, but I'm gonna find it, so I'm gonna do some shaving. Look how clean shave I am! Yeah, I clean shaved it. Yeah, that's what's going on. Alright, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work.
Hey guys, so we're doing tummy time right now. Grace is kind of doing pretty well. She's looking at herself in the mirror. And yeah, that's Are you playing? What are you doing? What? 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 You want to sit up? Okay. Really? What else? What else? Oh my goodness, is that so funny? What's so funny? Oh, okay. You're being a silly girl, aren't you? Oh, okay. Okay. Ugo? Oh. Really? What else? What else? Yeah, is that so funny? I love playing with you, Gracie. Boop. Do you want to see how smiley you are? Do you want to see how smiley Gracie is? Hi, there's Gracie. Is that you, Grace? Hi, Gracie. Is that you? When you move, the baby moves too. Oh my goodness. Is that Gracie? So that's what we're doing right now, guys. And Grace is just smiling and playing away, aren't you, baby? She's so confused right now.
Hey guys, I just got home, so we are making some grilled cheese before we go into my dad's place. So that's what's going on. It's gonna be fun and exciting. So that's what we're doing. There's our grilled cheese sandwich, you guys. It looks so good. Hey guys, so right now, guys, we are Mom and Dad, so that's what we're doing.
Some of his stuff. Some of them is pretty good too.
Right. So this is. So the bid would go to him, so then he gets to choose what's Trump.
No, you keep going until you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I guess you give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a new video. Goodbye.